Hey, it's Paul Zweben of the Zweben team of Douglas Elliman. Happy Thursday, August 20th. And I'm going to meld two videos that I do on a daily basis into one for today. So if you think I know a lot about food, which I do, wait till you talk to me about real estate. Behind me is 640 West End, one of my favorite ivy coated condos on the Upper West Side. It's on 91st and West End Avenue, and if you ever want to talk about that building or any other buildings on the Upper West Side or in New York City, holla at your boy or call my wife. Anyway, I'm at 917-860-1462, 917-860-1462. So there's a word in French, and it's a cooking term. It's called depouillage. I'm going to repeat that again. Depouillage. And what that means is when you're making a stock or a sauce, there's particles that come to the top that are impurities that you want to skim. And it really means to skim the scum or skim the impurities off of that beautiful stock. You don't want to mix it back in, because what happens is the impurities go into the stock and it makes it cloudy and yucky. It's depouillage. You want to skim the scum. There is so much noise out there. So much noise. Think about the same cooking technique in your personal and professional life. Do you have a teammate that's not doing anything and staying at home in their pajamas, not answering their phones, not answering texts, not answering emails? Depouillage. A family member that is driving you crazy, not immediate family, but secondary or tertiary family. Depouillage. Skim them. Skim the impurities. Think about it. Cooking, life. Depouillage, skimming the impurities out of your life and out of your stock and out of your sauces. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.